Here's what happened here. Icy, 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 and then the boom. Crashed. It's the biggest up I've ever done, so let's fix it. Hey, would you just stop slipping?
It's only at a certain angle.
Once you lean forward too much, yeah. Your weight's gone.
Yeah, it's like that. You gotta keep yourself up there.
I know, if I stand all the way on my boots, good. Oh yeah, all you. There you go. The kick. Watch and learn, kids. It's all about the kick. And if you don't kick, then you got problems. Oh, he's in. He's in.
I got lucky on that one.
Yeah. Yeah. The wind is cold. My hands are freezing. And we're just pretending that it's all good. Because that's how you get through it. You just gotta pretend that it's just so much fun. I'm about as good as I can be right now. We did some roof. It's like 12:30. There's blowing snow and it's accumulating on the roof. It's getting pretty intense, so you gotta keep your head on a swivel real good. So we're on the other side now. I think we're at about 60 sheets, going for 80. Said 100 this morning. That's quite a bit, but we still got a few hours left. How you feeling, Mike? It's feeling good, people. Let's keep going. I'm in.
Look like sin.
Roof update. It's after break. We're back at it. We got about 75 sheets down. Mike's traversing. Look at him go. Oh yeah, we're getting her done today. Hey. We are on fire today. Here's what happened here. Icy, 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 and then the boom. Crashed in. It's the biggest up I've ever done, so let's fix it. Let me just explain what happened here. See all that ice? Yeah. So what I was doing is bringing the zoom boom down the hill to get more sheets. You can kind of tell that doesn't look too friendly. Zoom boom slid right down, ran into the side of that house and blew the whole garage door right off. But we got her back in there for the night.